Nikola Tesla, the forgotten genius who shaped the modern world. Without him, you wouldn't have wireless communication, alternating current, or even the foundation of Wi-Fi. But who was he really? Let's learn about Nikola Tesla. Nikola Tesla was born in 1856 in what is now Croatia. His fascination with electricity began as a child after witnessing a lightning storm. His mother, who was an inventor herself, encouraged his curiosity. It's said that Tesla had an eidetic memory. He could recall entire books and visualize complex inventions in his mind before ever building them. He is said to have envisioned complete diagrams of inventions, sometimes working only from memory, not bothering to draw them. Tesla's most famous battle, the War of Currents against Thomas Edison. Edison promoted direct current, but Tesla's alternating current was far more efficient. Eventually, Tesla's AC won, and it powers the world today. In 1893, Tesla proved his system's superiority by lighting up the Chicago World's Fair. It was one of the first places on Earth to be illuminated by electricity. One of Tesla's most mind-blowing inventions, the Tesla coil, designed to transmit electricity wirelessly. He dreamed of a world where power would be free and available for everyone. In Colorado Springs, Colorado, where he stayed from May 1899 until early 1900, Tesla made what he regarded as his most important discovery: terrestrial stationary waves. By this discovery, he proved that Earth could be used as a conductor and made to resonate at a certain electrical frequency. He also lit 200 lamps without wires from a distance of 40 kilometers, 25 miles, and created man-made lightning, producing flashes measuring 41 meters, 135 feet. Imagine charging your phone just by being near a power source. Tesla was working on this over 100 years ago. Tesla built Wardenclyffe Tower on Long Island, hoping to send electricity through the air without wires. But his biggest investor, J.P. Morgan, pulled funding after realizing it wouldn't make money. Without financial support, Tesla had to abandon his dream. Wardenclyffe Tower was torn down, and with it, Tesla's vision of wireless global electricity was lost. Tesla wasn't just a genius. He was also incredibly eccentric. He had a phobia of pearls, was obsessed with the number 3, and claimed to have received signals from extraterrestrials. In 1899, Tesla detected strange radio pulses from space. Some believe it was just natural signals, but Tesla was convinced he had intercepted messages from aliens. Despite his incredible contributions, Tesla died poor and alone in 1943 in a New York hotel room, but his legacy lives on. Today, his ideas are more relevant than ever. Wireless charging, renewable energy, even the technology behind radio and Wi-Fi all trace back to him. The world may have forgotten Tesla during his lifetime, but his genius continues to shape our future. Nikola Tesla, the man who dreamed of lighting up the world. What do you think was his greatest invention? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating history.